Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to see download history on my Google Play Store. So at first open Google Play Store and click on to profile. In the first option, manage apps and device. Click on to manage option and then showing it to all installed apps. Showing it to all installed apps and recently delete. So just click on not install it. Then showing it to recently deleted apps. So that's how you can easily find your download history, game and category, recently update, name, most used. So that's it, that's how you can do it.